Hello,
Hi,
Ravi
Pranav.
Rahul Verma. Hi, can you introduce
Hello,
yourself to
hi.
our audience?
Yeah, my name is Rahul. I'm a software developer. I have been working on Java, Spring Boot, and microservices. Okay, Pranav.
Okay, Ravi. Uh, Tell me about AI effect on your job, on software engineering jobs.
Yeah, I have been using AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grook as well as DeepSeek. From I use these tools for coding purpose, and I also use a tool called Copilot. It is a GitHub tool. We use this for coding purpose, and we generate HTML templates, HTML web pages, and to we use these tools to write our back-end business logic as well.
Okay, okay, you are using AI tools to write code to design the project structure. So,
Yes.
in future, what do you think in future AI will replace the coding jobs, the coders, the developers?
Yeah, as of now, AI is giving us only the snippets of the codes. But in future, AI might develop entire website. Like it will automatic. Just we need to give a small prompt, and it will automatically develop all whole features.
Okay, yeah, but okay. So you are telling that AI may also give the whole entire project.
Yeah,
So
whole application.
what about jobs? What about the jobs? It will definitely decrease the jobs of the coders, developers, programmers. So what do you advise? We need to learn AI. Like with AI, we need to develop coding. We need to develop projects, or else we need to develop the AI.
Yeah, as per my understanding, the present batch or present youth should focus on basics rather than they directly go to AI and ask for develop me a website. It is a wrong thing. Without knowing basics and completely relying on AI is a bad thing as of now. We need to concentrate more on basics as in companies. The interviewer will ask about what what are the tools you know. If, if you will say I know I have developed this website in my using ChatGPT, then the interview will directly reject you. So you need to go
Okay.
learn your basics, and then you can use the tools and enhance your projects.
Okay, one thing I want to
Yeah.
ask is, you know, uh, especially in India, the software we are developing is for the US people. The US people are client, the
Okay.
foreign people are client, especially for US. They are outsourcing jobs for us. So, because we Indians, our English is good, our our skill is good. We can write lot of code, so that's why they are choosing us, so that we are getting employment. In future, AI is giving entire project with a single prompt, so that means Indians will not get job. The foreign people who wanted to develop any project, they they on by themselves, they ask any kind of AI and generate their entire project. So on this basis, I want to ask one question. So we are relying, our jobs are relying on the foreign people only. So what if indians Indian startup owners, Indian IT company owners wanted to develop own projects, so that Indians, Indian coding people will get job in Indian companies only. No need to depend upon foreign people. No? What do you think about this?
Yeah, right now we are our most of the projects are coming from US, right? Like we have WhatsApp, Facebook, and all. So we need to do it made in India also, and we need to go more AI driven projects so that we can also have the AI features, and we can also do prompt engineering and use those AI features, and we can also develop the websites. But as of now, AI is costly, right? So I think foreigners also need Indians to develop these kinds of websites rather than directly putting more amount of money. They can put less amount of money in Indians and they can use them as long as their AI is completely flexible to developing these websites. The like end-to-end development can be done
Mm.
with the
Okay.
AI, then they might migrate to AI rather than the developers in India. So we need to be prepared, and we need to maintain an infrastructure, AI infrastructure, where we can develop our own AI models and train them, and we can achieve our code by using those AI models. And we need to be more competitive with other countries, and we can implement our own products so that we can gain a good AI developed website.
Yeah. Okay. Mm. So, so many jobs are being generated in software sector by outsourcing only. So, how many new startups will grow and give jobs to Indians rather than depending upon the projects given from the foreign people?
Yeah, as our government is encouraging our startups to grow more and give jobs to our Indian employees rather than outsourcing the outer rather than outsourcing rather than outsourcing our employees to US government and taking their projects. Our startups are building new them to build innovations. We have in Telangana, we have our T Hub and T Works. They are encouraging, and Modi also took a new initiative with Joho company, and he is also encouraging the Joho company so that more startups will come and they get inspired by Joho company, and they also build their own companies. Startups are growing in India, basically. I
Okay,
want to say that. That's all.
okay, okay. Uh, for suppose in a software development team to develop a project, there may be think like there are 10 people in a team. So with the help of
Yeah,
generative AI and AI, the team members may cut down to 5 or 4, from 10 to 4. So what about the people? What is your suggestion
I think
to
it's
the
happening
people
from 10 to 2, I
who
think.
got
Right now,
laid
it's
off?
happening 10
Uh,
to 2. Yeah,
10 to it 2 it's happening. What about the 8 other people? Uh,
like I suggest, okay, can I answer it?
and what do you think?
You are,
Which,
I think you are getting started.
yeah,
Your internet is slow.
okay, yeah,
Are you using Sai
yes, yes,
communications?
okay, yeah. Now it is, yeah, ah,
Okay, okay. Okay, I'll answer
okay.
your question, Pranav. Yeah. Can you repeat it again? Your internet connection was slow, so can you repeat the question again?
What I was asking is,
Yeah,
the
Pranav,
8
repeat
people
the
are
question again.
being unemployed. So, what is your advice? The 8
Okay.
people should go into which
Okay.
sector?
The advice to the 8 people. Firstly, before the 8 people are removed, when there are 10 people, I advise the whole 10 people to be my top two. so that they
Okay.
can be in top two. Don't be in the bottom eight. Okay. You can
Okay.
upskill yourself. There are various YouTube channels who give you free courses, and you have a paid courses also like Udemy and other platforms. You can go there. You can check out what's the latest roadmap for our software developers. You can enhance your skills like a full stack developer is not only just a front end developer as also back end developer. He is a full stack developer means he need to learn cloud, AWS, Azure, and DevOps technologies, and also he need to learn AI as well. So you need to
Okay.
upskill yourself
Okay.
and be the top two.
Okay. Uh, if the AI is getting more popular, then the jobs are getting less. So, which sector will grow?
Which sector?
Which sector, like other than IT, other than computer science engineering, which sectors,
Okay.
which fields may grow in future? What do you think?
I think using AI, there are many fields growing right now. Like robotics field is growing. Our automobile industry is acquiring all the AI features, and they are developing great cars in our India. Like example, I can say Tata Motors. Tata Sierra has been launched, and it has extensive AI features. Like that, every sector is growing. Like our space industry is growing right now. So
Yeah.
our Indians are also using leveraging all the AI technologies, and they are implementing AI tools in our products, and they are increasing the productivity also. And every manufacturing might I might think manufacture sector may grow in India. Yeah,
Okay.
most of the sectors are
Yeah.
growing.
You're saying that manufacturing sector may grow in India. So, what is better then? Joining manufacturing job or uh, establishing a manufacturing company?
Right now, if manufacturer sectors should grow, I think you need to establish a manufacturing company and give jobs to others. Without establishing company, how a manufacturer sector will grow?
Yeah,
Right?
okay.
We
But
need
suppose
to
you
drive towards
have,
manufacturing sector.
if you are having enough money to establish a manufacturing company, whatever it may be in any field. So, and if you also have passion to join a manufacturing company, so where will be your first step?
I think I want to manufacture EV vehicles as it is a trending, and it is a future. EV vehicles are the future of India. So there are most of the companies who are outsourcing the EV vehicles from outer countries like China and Japan instead of making our Indian made EV vehicles. So I think I can set up a EV vehicle company, and I can I can do mass production of the EV vehicles like EV scooters and all, and I can establish a another company called EV rentals so that my scooters are manufactured, and I am going to sell those scooters, as well as I am going to put the scooters into rental basis so that I can earn income by selling, and as well as by giving the rent to the bigger companies like quick commerce companies. Like we can give our scooter rented to our delivery boys in quick commerce
Okay,
companies like Instamart and Blinkit. They are
okay,
this is the trending business right now.
okay. You are
Okay.
saying that manufacturing sector may grow in India, and
Yeah.
you want to utilize it in both ways. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Is there any other thing you want to discuss about?
You can ask your questions.
Yeah, okay. Uh, uh, Most of the people are leaving India for education, maybe for good job, maybe for
Yeah.
good opportunities. So what do you think about that?
Yes. Till now, many people have left abroad for higher educations and as well as good job opportunities. But from now, I think staying in India is the best option because there is an issue in US like Trump is not allowing Indian people to grow there. So why not we grow in India only? Why not we set up our own companies and give competition to America and as well as China? And we can set up our manufacturing companies to give competition to China, and we can set up our IT companies also. Like we can create our AI models and use that AI models and fast track the IT industry in our India. So we need
One
to do
second,
that.
my dad is calling. I'm
Okay.
pausing it.